Hello dear students, I am Ajay Karmarkar. Before starting further, I would like to say something. Please watch video completely, sit with copy pen. If you find somewhere important, pause the video, note it and proceed further. Although you have facing any problem or difficulties, then please write in comment box. I will definitely solve your problem. And along with, please like, share and subscribe my channel that can reach more and more students. Thank you. The question: a student is performing an experiment using resonance column and a tuning fork of frequency 244 per second. He is told that the air in the tube has been replaced by another gas. Assume that the column remains filled with the gas. If the minimum height at which resonance occurs is 0.350 plus minus 0.005 meter, the gas in the tube is neon, argon, nitrogen, and argon. And all the informations in the given is a question. And we have given also the useful information. Root 164 RT is equals to 640 joule raised to power 1 by 2 mole raised to power minus 1 by 2. And similarly, root 140 RT equal to 590 joule raised to power 1 by 2 and mole raised to power minus 1 by 2. Here the molar mass is capital M in grams are given in the options. And take the value of molar mass is 10 by M. It is also given in the question. This question is asked JEE Advanced 2014. The essence of this question: when student performing this practical, when strike the tuning fork and brings to the close of this resonance tube, then he was found that length of this resonance tube is 0.350 plus minus 0.005. Okay, as you know that very well, here when closed resonance tube works as a closed organ pipe, and you know that very well. Closed organ pipe means the surface at where the frequencies meet, node is formed, and this open path here antinode is formed, and the distance from the antinode and node is lambda by 4. It is the L. Is it clear? Now here we have given the arrow in plus and minus. Let us first we have to take the plus and then minus. Okay, and then the relation speed equal to speed of sound equal to lambda into nu. So here you are well known that L equal to lambda by 4, then lambda equal to 4L. Is it clear? So here V equal to, in the place of lambda we have substitute 4L into 244 because the frequency of tuning fork is given 244 per second. Okay, now V equal to 4. Let us first we have to take positive sign firstly. Then 0.350 plus 0.005 then becomes 0.355 and multiply 244. Then we'll get here the speed of sound is 346.5 meter per second. If we have take the negative 0.350005, then it become 345. It is then positive and negative, then it becomes 0.345 into 244, approximately here 336.5 meter per second. So it is the range. Is it clear now? Now here the speed of the sound for the gases is root gamma p by rho, and here rho is the density of the gases, and density can be written as mass by volume. So here m by v, v is written here in the numerator. Okay, so there now it become gamma pv upon m, and pv can be written as, for ideal gas equation, gamma RT by m, and m is it is gram is given, but our question is the kilogram, so therefore we have to convert into kilogram, 10 raised to power minus 3. Is it clear now? So here it can be written as root gamma RT 1000 by m. Here gamma RT into here 10th part can be written as separately, because here all the values in the given in the form of multiple 10 by root 10 by m. So therefore we have to segregate two parts. Is it clear now? And mono for gamma, the value of gamma is monoatomic 1.67 and diatomic gamma is equals to 1.4. Now substitute one by one for all according to the information. Okay, now here V equal to gamma for monoatomic 1.67 and RT 167 RT. Here the waste part is RT into 100 root 10 by for gas neon. Neon we have taken 10 by 20. Then V equal to root 167 RT into root 10 by 20. Here this value is root 167 RT is 640 and root 10 by 20, the value for the neon is 7 by 10. Then what is the value? V equal to 448 meter per second. It is the first value. Speed of argon, V here monoatomic, so therefore 167 RT root, what is the value of argon? M is 36, 10 by 36 and 1 root 167 RT. All informations we have given in the question, so therefore root 167 RT is 640 and root 10 by 36. What is the value of root 10 by 36? Root 10 by 36 is given. It is all information given in the question. 17 by 32. So 32 to the 64 and it is 17 to the 34 and 0. So here the speed of argon is 340 meter per second. Now for the diatomic, what is the diatomic? Nitrogen and oxygen. Then nitrogen, it is gamma, value of gamma is 1.4 RT 100 root 10 by M. Nitrogen 140 RT root 10 by, what is the value of nitrogen? It is 28. So what is the value of 140 RT? 590 and root 10 by 28. Root 10 by 28 is 3 by 5. Then 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5 and 5 ones are 40. Then it is 354 meter per second. Now last for the oxygen 140 RT and 10 by 32. Then it is the value is 590 and 10 by 32 is 9 by 16. So approximately value is 331.8 meter per second. And we have already find out the speed of nitrogen is neon is 448. So only the range 346 in between 336, 340 meter per second. So therefore student perform in the medium of gas. Which gas is fill up inside the resonance column? Here the argon. So I hope so you understood this problem. Thank you for dear students staying till the ends of this video, and I know that very well you are working very hard, and if I will be a part of your success journey, that it will be my pleasure. But when more and more students will join with your success journey, then it will be very great things. Thank you once again. Take care.